Meaning of enshrine.
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 Enshrine. The word enshrine means to preserve or protect something sacred or highly valued, typically by placing it in a special or revered place. This act is usually done to honor or show respect for the object or idea being enshrined. The result of enshrining something is that it is given a degree of permanence and importance, and is often viewed as a symbol of cultural, religious, or historical significance. Enshrining something can also help to solidify its meaning and ensure that it is passed down to future generations.